Design has to have some kind of a punch, otherwise I'm bored.
A lot of times we're asked to take an old house and make it live in a more modern way.
I think it's important for designers and certainly architects to study classical design.
I think what's most important is to tell the story of who they are in their lives. I do the same thing at home.
I don't like to furnish a house with just one style. I like to mix it up.
The challenge there is to do that without letting the house lose its soul in the process.
I don't necessarily think they have to take a million courses about classicism, though I secretly wish that they would.
I am more of a person who's not afraid of color.
Functionality is when something works for you. It stands the test of time.